My name's Emily, 32. I run a flower shop in Seattle. Every morning, I arrange roses and lilies. Their petals soft under my fingers. Their colors bright against the gray city. I used to think my marriage was like these flowers. Vibrant, perfect, everlasting. But one rainy night, everything changed. My husband Jake left his phone on the kitchen counter. Its screen glowing in the dark. A text popped up, "Miss you, babe." My heart stopped. I glanced at the bedroom door. He was asleep, snoring softly. With trembling hands, I unlocked his phone. Messages, photos, late-night calls. The name at the top? Lisa. My best friend since college. My stomach twisted. Tears burned my eyes. The phone slipped from my hand, hitting the counter with a thud. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's uncover this family's hidden truth. I stood there. Rain pounding the windows, matching the storm in my chest. 10 years of marriage. Late nights helping Jake with his startup. Weekends planning our future. All shattered by a single text. I wanted to scream. To storm into the bedroom and confront him. But my legs wouldn't move. Instead, I sank to the floor, clutching my knees. Tears soaking my sweater. The next morning, I waited for Jake in our living room. The coffee table was cluttered with photo frames. Us at our wedding. Us on our first vacation. He walked in, whistling, holding a coffee mug. "Jake," I said, my voice shaking. "Who's Lisa to you?" He froze. His mug halfway to his lips. "Emily, what are you talking about?" I held up his phone. The text's still open. "These." "Explain." His face paled. It's not what you think." "Not what I think." I laughed bitterly. "She's my best friend, Jake. How could you?" He looked away. "It just happened." I felt like the air was sucked out of the room. I grabbed my coat and ran out. The Seattle rain soaking me instantly. I drove to my mom's house. An hour away in the suburbs. Mom, 55, opened the door. Her gray hair tied in a loose bun. "Emily, what's wrong?" I fell into her arms, sobbing like a child. She led me to the couch, handed me a cup of chamomile tea. Its warmth seeping into my cold hands. "Mom, Jake's cheating. With Lisa." Her face softened. but her eyes held a weight I didn't understand. "Emily," she said, "I've been where you are. Your dad cheated too. I stayed for you." I froze. Mom's sacrifice hit me like a tidal wave. All these years, I thought her marriage was perfect. "Why didn't you tell me?" she sighed. "I wanted you to believe in love." The next day, I went back to my flower shop. The scent of peonies usually calmed me. But today, it felt suffocating. Then Lisa walked in, smiling, picking out roses like nothing happened. My hands gripped the counter, nails digging into the wood. "Lisa, how could you?" Her smile vanished. "Emily, I didn't mean to." "Save it," I snapped. "You broke my family," she stammered, tears in her eyes. But I didn't care. I pointed to the door. "Get out." That night, I sat with Mom again. Her living room was cozy, filled with old photos and knitted blankets. She held my hand. "Sweetie, you don't need Jake to be whole. You're stronger than you know." Her words lit a fire in me. I started pouring my heart into the shop, designing bouquets that told my story. Red roses for pain, white lilies for hope. Customers noticed. They'd say, "Emily, your flowers feel alive." Months later, Jake showed up at the shop, holding a bouquet of daisies. "My favorite." "Emily, I messed up. Can we try again?" I looked at him. His tired eyes. His desperate voice. But I wasn't the same Emily anymore. I smiled, calm and certain. "Jake, I'm done fixing your mistakes." He left, the daisies wilting in his hands. Now, I stand in my shop, surrounded by vibrant flowers. The rain still falls outside, but it doesn't feel heavy anymore. Mom was right, I'm enough. I started a flower arranging class, teaching others to find beauty in chaos. One student, a single dad named Mark, always stays late, helping me clean up. He smiles. "Emily, your strength is inspiring." I blush, feeling a spark I thought I'd lost. Maybe, just maybe, love isn't gone forever. I'm learning to trust again, one petal at a time. Have you ever faced betrayal? Share your story in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and join me for more heartfelt stories.